Guys, it has been hot in LA, like really hot. I need a popsicle. I need a creamsicle. Yeah, creamsicle. No! Oh. Creamsicles are like the richer cousin of the popsicle. They're smoother, they're richer, they're more luxurious, and they're so refreshing on a summer day, especially when they're citrus, like these orange creamsicle pops. But before these get too flashy, we're gonna swap out a couple ingredients to make them even healthier. And it just so happens, they're also paleo. So the main base of these creamsicles is coconut cream. This is so rich and creamy, no one will even know that you skipped out on the heavy cream. It has tons of antioxidants, and it has a little bit of a tropical flavor, which in my opinion is so fun. So I'm going to dump this into the blender, and in the meantime, check out the rest of our ingredients. We have coconut milk, honey, orange kombucha, orange juice, vanilla, banana, and carrot powder. So to make these creamsicles sweet, I'm going to be using honey, which as you know is my favorite sweetener, and test my patience. And then banana. You're not gonna really taste the banana flavor, but you are gonna taste the sweetness and the creaminess that this is going to add. The riper, the better with these, because the riper, the sweeter. Boop, boop, boop. A little bit of vanilla extract is gonna give it that creamsicle flair. And then, obviously, orange juice is essential. That's how we're mostly gonna get that orange flavor. And then to really up that orange flavor a notch, I'm gonna zest some orange in here because the zest has so much flavor. Smells so good. These creamsicles are extra special because we are using orange kombucha. I love kombucha. It's a probiotic drink, so it's fizzy, it has antioxidants and enzymes. It's so good for your gut health, and it's just straight up delicious. So I'm gonna be adding that into our blender as well. And then, this is a little bit of a secret, but we are using carrot powder. The first time I tried this recipe, I didn't use this. Let's just say it tasted great, but the color was not there. I wanted that orange creamsicle color. This acts almost like a food coloring, but it's also sweet, and it's full of different vitamins and minerals like beta carotene. So it's a win, 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 if you ask me. So I'm gonna blend this up. So violent. So now I'm gonna pour these into our popsicle molds. You can find these at most big stores and Amazon. Oh no. Making a mess in the kitchen is the best part about this, until you have to clean it up. It's like that game Operation where you can't hit the sides or else you lose. I lost a long time ago. Not a mess at all. Okay, I'm gonna pop this lid on. So then you just put the sticks through the little incisions. It is so much like Operation, guys. I didn't realize this until right now. Who needs board games when you have popsicles? Great, so these just have to freeze for a couple hours. I'm gonna put them in the freezer and water my plant friends because I'm sure they're thirsty too. So in the meantime, you could check out my pretty healthy tip of the day for some more summer treats. A super fun way to have kombucha is a mocktail. Now, I don't drink alcohol, so I don't fully know what a Moscow Mule is, but I do know how to make a kombucha mocktail version of it. I know it has ginger beer and it has lime and mint, so we have those with a few other things. We're gonna make a dupe. So we're gonna start with ice. Look at how cute this shaker is. It's a mason jar. To make it cold, then I have lime juice and mint. I hear you have to rip this to really get the oils out. And then I chose to put jalapenos. I don't know if spicy Moscow Mules are a thing, because like I said, I don't drink, but I like spice. So, you know, this is the Mikkel interpretation. That looks good. Then I'm gonna fill it up with our kombucha. I actually just celebrated my 21st birthday, and I chose for it to be dry because I'm the lamest 21-year-old you know who loves health. So I drank these all weekend. Now, I've only seen this in the movies, but everyone looks so badass, so. Do I look cool? Oh, no, I don't. It's dripping, so I'm not that cool. Bartending's fun. Spicy kombucha, mocktail, Moscow Mule. Too long of a title. I'll work on it, but I'm gonna taste it. Oh, it's so good. You don't even need the real thing, and it's perfect for summer. Are you hot? I know, summers are brutal. Oh, hey, hi, that's normal. Our popsicles are ready though. Look at this. Look at that color. It looks almost like the real thing. I bet you no one could even tell the difference. But the only way to know for sure is a taste test. Eee! Guys, we did it. This is probably even better than the real thing. It's sweet, it's creamy, it's a little bit tropical from that coconut cream. Make these on your hot summer day, and with a few swaps, they're even healthier. See you next time.